Welcome to Practice English Conversations. Are you ready to practice your English and become more fluent? Let's get started.
Hi, Lucas. How are you today?
Hi, Megan. I'm doing well, thank you. How about you?
I'm good, thanks. I was just thinking about my smartphone and all the apps I use every day. Do you like using technology?
Yes, I really enjoy using my smartphone. It makes my life easier. I use many apps for different things.
I agree. My phone is very important to me. I use it for communication, entertainment, and even for studying. What are your favorite apps, Lucas?
Well, I like using WhatsApp to talk with my friends and family. I also use Instagram and YouTube. They help me relax and stay informed. What about you, Megan?
I use WhatsApp as well, and I like Instagram because I can see pictures and videos. I also use a music app like Spotify. Music helps me concentrate when I study.
That is great. I also listen to music on Spotify. I like pop and soft rock. I sometimes create my own playlists for different moods.
Creating playlists is fun. I also use a news app to read the latest news. It helps me know what is happening around the world.
Yes, I check my news app every morning. It tells me about local news and international events. I find it very useful.
Do you think technology has changed our lives a lot?
Absolutely. Technology has changed the way we talk, learn, and work. With smartphones, we can get information quickly and stay connected with friends and family no matter where we are.
I agree. I use my phone to check emails, make plans, and even study. Sometimes I watch educational videos on YouTube to learn new things.
That is true. Technology is a powerful tool for learning. I use my phone to learn languages and watch tutorials. It makes self-study much easier.
Yes, I have learned many new words from watching videos and using language apps. It is fun and interactive.
Also, technology helps me organize my day. I use a calendar app to plan my schedule. It reminds me of meetings, classes, and even birthdays.
I do the same. I set reminders on my phone for my appointments and important tasks. It helps me stay on track and not forget things.
And what about entertainment? Do you use your phone for games?
Sometimes, yes. I play simple puzzle games on my phone when I have a short break. They are fun and make me think.
I enjoy playing games too. I like strategy games and word games. They are a good way to relax after a busy day.
Technology is not only useful for work and study, but also for fun. I like watching movies on my phone when I travel.
I do that as well. I often download movies and TV shows to watch during my commute. It makes the time pass quickly.
Do you worry about any negative effects of using technology?
Sometimes, yes. I worry about spending too much time on my phone. It can be distracting. I try to limit my screen time by setting time limits on certain apps.
I do that too. I try not to use my phone too much before bed. I also like to take a break from social media to relax.
That is very important for our mental health. Too much screen time can make us feel tired and stressed.
I think it is all about balance. Technology is very useful if we use it wisely.
I agree. For example, I use my phone to learn new skills. But I also make sure to go outside and enjoy nature.
Yes, I love going for walks and sometimes leaving my phone at home. It is refreshing to enjoy the real world.
Do you think technology has improved our communication?
Definitely. With apps like WhatsApp and Skype, I can talk to my family who lives far away. It makes me feel closer to them.
That is a big advantage. I also use video calls to speak with friends and colleagues. It is like being together, even when we are apart.
Technology has also helped me learn about other cultures. I watch videos and read blogs about travel. It inspires me to visit new places.
Yes, I have learned many things about different countries through online articles and videos. It makes me want to travel more.
And with translation apps, language is no longer a big barrier. I can read and understand many texts online.
I agree. Translation apps are very helpful. They allow me to understand news and content from around the world, even if I do not speak the language.
It is amazing how much we can do with a small device in our hands.
Technology has truly transformed our daily lives. From shopping to learning and entertainment, it is all in one place.
Yes, and I feel that as technology improves, our lives will become even more connected and convenient.
I am excited to see what new apps and devices will come out in the future. I think they will make many tasks even simpler.
Me too. I always read about the latest technology trends and try to update my apps. I believe it is important to keep up with changes.
That is a good habit. Updating apps ensures that we have the best features and security.
Speaking of security, I always check that my apps are secure. I make sure to use strong passwords and update them regularly.
Yes, protecting personal data is very important. I also use two-factor authentication on some apps.
That is a smart move, Lucas. We must be careful with our information online.
Absolutely. Technology is wonderful, but we need to use it responsibly.
I am glad we had this conversation, Lucas. It reminds me how much technology has improved our lives.
I enjoyed our chat too, Megan. Sharing our experiences about smartphones and apps makes me appreciate the tools we have.
Let's talk again soon and share any new apps or tech tips we discover.
I would like that. I always enjoy learning new ways to use my phone better.
Great. Have a wonderful day, Lucas, and keep enjoying your favorite apps.
Thank you, Megan. You too. Goodbye.
Goodbye, Lucas.
Great job practicing with us today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next English conversation. See you in the next video. Keep practicing and stay confident.